Hi everyone, welcome to my class. Today I'm going to teach you a project for the Memorial Day. Let me share the image with you. This is the one we are doing. Okay. Switch camera. Today you need color papers and scissors, glue stick, markers, and beads. And I use ruler and the Sharpie to draw. And also I need the double-sided tape. It's easier to replace using glue stick, okay? And I also have a stencil for the drawing a circle. All right, so first I'm going to have a piece of white paper, okay? And I'm using a ruler. I want to draw American flag. So American flag, you know, there's a rectangle first. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, and 4 corners, and make the dots, and let's connect dots. Connect dots. Okay, let's make the rectangle first. It's easier to start with. Okay. And now I also make a small rectangles. Okay, a little small rectangles right here, right here, right here. Okay, and inside here, I'm going to draw stars, like stars. And later on, I show you I finish the drawing with the computer. But you are going to do the stars for 50, okay? And then also on the side, we make stripe. We draw stripes. Okay. And when I'm drawing it, I'm going to have you listen for this one first.
The American flag, a symbol of freedom and national pride, is comprised of 13 alternating red and white stripes and 50 white stars on a blue field. The stripes represent the 13 original colonies, and the stars represent the 50 states of the Union. The colors also hold symbolic meaning: red for valor and bravery, white for purity and innocence, and blue for vigilance, perseverance, and justice.
Okay. So you can see I'm drawing an American flag. Okay, and then you continue to working on 50 stars, and let's start to color. Okay, so I have this one. This one, before I finish the star, I use the stencil, put right in the middle, and I draw a circle like that. And on the side, I write words. Okay, the word I write Memorial Day and remember our heroes. Okay, let me show you. I've done with the computer. This one right here, I done with the computer. This version is better than the hand drawing. Okay, and then next one, you will need to color. So you can have a blue, and then color the area, leave the star white, and then color the area. blue. Okay. You can take your time to do it, little by little, like that, and then finish it with blue for this rectangle area. And you are going to use the red one for the stripe. For example, it's beginning with the red. So red, white, red, it's a pattern. Okay, and then pattern red, white, red, white, red, white. Continue working on, okay? So I have this one. I already finished the coloring and I show it to you. Okay, finish the 50 stars and then color in blue for the background and red, white, red, white, red, white stripes and finish the coloring, okay? And the next one, let me put this one on the side. This one will be your background. And next one, I pick any color I like. I'm going to show you how to make these flowers. Okay, so for example, you will need the swirl. Draw a swirl. Okay, and then all you need to do is repeat curve, curve, curve. So for example, curve, curve, goes around, curve, make it bigger, bigger, but repeating the curve, 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 and then make it bigger, 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 and on the end, I draw a little bit, extend the area here, so I can, for this end, I can all glue together, okay? All right, let me close my marker, and I'm going to show you the one I did it on the computer, this one, okay? So let me take out this paper. I'm going to, actually I want to use the pink one. I want to use the pink one, okay? I have a lot of color, okay? And I'm going to cut it from here. All right, and let's follow the line little by little. I like to cut outside first to make the paper smaller, and then I cut inside after, okay? All right, and then ready. Right now you can cut it from inside. Almost done. Here you go, like that. Okay, And so we are going to turn this flower into this one, okay? And you can use glue stick, okay? And I use the double-sided tape because it's faster for me, okay? And let's start to taping it, okay? Let's start to taping it, all right? Okay, so first one, I'm going to take the double-sided tape, and you see this one goes around here, around the flower. I start to use the double-sided tape, but if you don't have it, just put glue stick, okay? But don't put too much. It kind of goes around the flower. Okay, just a little by little. I put double-sided tape around the flower. So if you don't have a double-sided tape, you can use glue and just simply glue around the flower, okay? Don't put too much glue, otherwise your hand will get really sticky, okay? And then you are going to flip it over. On the top here, you can put glue in the center, okay? I put this one, double-sided tape in the middle part, center part. Okay, after I done, I'm going to flip it over. So this side is the gluey side, all right? And I will start from the beginning. Right here, I kind of gather together and hold it to make it cone shape. And then after that, I turn slowly, glue together, turn slowly, glue the flower together, you see, little by little. Just keep on turning, little by little. Little by little. Turn your flower, little by little. Slowly, slowly. Oh, this one got stuck. Slowly, and the final piece right here we glue together. So this is the flower we did, okay? And then we are going to pull out this background paper. Okay, this, on the background it's an American flag, okay? And then in the center here writes Memorial Day, remember our heroes, okay? And right in the middle, I already, let me show you. You can pick a lots of different colors and print it, just repeat and cut it out. And so far I've done lots of flowers already, like that, okay? And then you can pick any color you like and then glue inside the circle, okay? So what I'm going to do, you can put glue, okay? But I'm going to just put the double-sided tape because it's faster for me. It's easier to dry. Okay, so I can show you the best result. Okay, first one I glue in the center, and I start to glue the flower around, and then here and there. You can arrange the flower the way you like it. I'm gonna put yellow right here. I want to put green or orange. You can take, you can combine and see how you like it. I like the blue right here. Glue on. But this one I want to flip in a little bit this way. Okay, and then I put one more flower like that, or like that. I think I like this one right here. I want it more in the center. this to the center, and I'm going to glue another red one right here. So you see flower goes around the center. We present the flower to our hero, okay? And then next one, you are going to put glue in the middle, and you can get the beads, okay? And for me, you can use tacky glue if you have a tacky glue, because the tacky glue is a little bit stronger. Okay, I think I have a tacky glue right here. Or you can use double this side tape or glue stick. It's up to you, okay? So you see I put glue inside and I pick one. You can decide what color you like to put it on to decorate the middle part. For the pink, I like the golden one. Yellow, I put the blue one. And purple, I like the pink one. Okay, can push. It takes time to dry. Sometimes you just need to push and hold a little bit, okay? For the red one, I'm going to use the golden one. It stands out more. The orange one, I'm gonna use red one. And for the blue one, I can use the green one. So, or red one, okay? So you see, this one is very nice and pretty so far. Okay, and let me show you. Put it away. This is the project we present to our hero, and then but you know, you can see the words that match, and then if you want, you are gonna push the flower a little bit, squeeze together, then the word can be seen. All right, so you probably need to push the flower a little bit tighter together in order to see the word we present to our hero. The hero, you know, help our country, protect our country, okay? Like that. Okay, let me show you in a different view. Okay, let me hold on to it. This is the project we did it for today. Okay, I hope you enjoy the lesson and remember our heroes, okay? All right, let me see you next time. Hope you enjoy the lesson, okay? Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time. Bye.